In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use dev mode on your Wix website. Our journey begins right at the heart of your creative workspace, the Wix website editor. To start, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. If you're not, head over to wix.com, enter your credentials, and sign in. Once you're on the main dashboard, navigate to the site that you're ready to make adjustments to. Click on it and this will open up the editor, the place where you probably already do a lot of your designing and tweaking. Next, let's move on to enabling dev mode. This is where we'll begin to harness more technical features of your Wix site. At the top of the editor, you'll notice a menu. Look for the tab labeled Dev Mode. Click on this tab and then choose the option to turn on Dev Mode. Once activated, several new features will become available to you. These include a code panel at the bottom of your screen where you can write JavaScript, a site structure panel on the left for better organization, and the ability to create backend modules, page-specific code, and even APIs. Turning on dev mode is a pivotal step if you're planning to go beyond standard customization and want to add more dynamic features to your website. Moving right along, it's essential to remember one more thing: saving your work. After you've enabled dev mode and made any desired changes or explorations for your site, you'll want to ensure all your efforts are preserved. Just like any other creative project, you wouldn't want to lose progress. So head over to the upper right corner of your screen and click either save or the publish button. This will apply all the changes you've made and keep your site up to date. And there you have it, a smooth transition to having dev mode enabled on your Wix site, opening the door to more advanced features and custom coding possibilities. By following these simple steps, you're on your way to transforming your digital space with added functionality and a personalized touch. Practice and explore these features, because the potential to enhance your site is now at your fingertips. By saving and publishing carefully, you ensure that changes are steady and secure. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay creative and see you next time.